Example number 2, simple beam with overhang. Simulan muna natin sa reactions. Solve for reactions at B and at C. So to solve for the reaction at B, we take moment at C. So moment left equals moment right. So at C, so moment left is By is upward, so positive. By times lever arm 9. 12 is downward, so negative. 12 times the lever arm distance from point C is 12. The distributed load is downward, so minus the load is 36 times 9, and the lever arm 4.5. Then equal to moment right, which is 0. So that By is equal to positive 178. So tama yung assumption, By is upward. Then to solve for the reaction at C, we take moment at B. Moment left equals moment right. So the moment at left of B is negative 12 times 3. Then equal to moment right of B, upward Cy, so positive Cy times 9. Downward yung distributed load, so minus 36 times 9 times the lever arm 4.5. So that Cy is positive 158. So the reaction at C is upward. Ito yung mga required. Theta A, theta B, theta C, and deflection at A. Mag-assume na muna tayo ng elastic curve. Say, ito yung elastic curve. So, ito na ngayon yung point A, point B, point C. To solve for theta C, we cut at C, and then we choose left. So, the direction is C to B. So that is left. From C to B, the load is distributed load. And the formula for 6AA over L is WL cubed over 4. So W is 36. The length is the distance from C to B. So that is 9. And then cube over 4. So 6AA over L is 6,561. Applicable is formula for theta left. So ito na yung formula for theta left. Theta is the theta at C, then equal to the moment near is the moment at C, and that is 0. The length is the distance from C to B, 9 over 3EI, plus moment far is the moment at B. So the moment at B is equal to so cut at B, left or right. So we choose left. The load is 12 downward. So the moment is negative 12 times 3. So negative 36. The moment far is the moment at B, and that is negative 36. The length is 9 over 6EI plus 6AA over L is 6,561. Over 6EI, then minus H over L. So for H, tayo ay gagawa ng horizontal line from C to B. So horizontal line from C to B at tumama kay B, so that the vertical distance H is 0. So theta C is equal to positive 1039.5 over EI. And positive means theta C is counterclockwise. So next is theta B. So to solve for theta B, cut natin at B. So may options tayo, left or right. So we choose right, B to C. So the direction is right. The load from B to C is distributed load, and the formula for 6AB over L is WL cubed over 4. So W is 36, the length is 9, then cube over 4. So 6AB over L is 6,561. Then we apply formula for theta right. Ito na yung formula for theta right. So theta is theta at B, then equal to negative. The moment near is the moment at B, so that is negative 36. The length is the distance from B to C, 9 over 3EI, plus moment far is the moment at C, so 0. The length is 9 over 6EI plus 6AB over L, 6561 over 6EI, then minus H over L. So gawa tayo ng horizontal line from B to C. So from B to C, tumama siya kay C, so that the vertical distance from the horizontal line at B towards C is 0. So theta B is equal to negative 985.5 over EI. And negative theta B means clockwise. So ito na yung theta B. Next, we cut at B and we choose left. So the direction is B to A. So left. So applicable is formula for theta left. Ito na yung formula for theta left. So theta is the theta at B, then equal to the moment near is the moment at B, negative 36. The length is the distance from B to A, so 3 over 3EI, plus moment far is the moment at A, 0. The length is 3 over 6EI, then plus 6AA over L. So from B to A, walang load, so that 6AA over L is 0, then over 6EI minus H over L. So for H, gagawa tayo ng horizontal line from, the direction is B to A, so horizontal line from B to A, and from that horizontal line, the vertical direction towards A is downward. And since downward, H is negative, and the vertical distance is the deflection at A. Si theta B ay nasolve na natin kanina, negative 985.5 over EI, so that the deflection at A is negative 2,848.5 over EI. So ano ibig sabihin ng negative? Sa elastic curve, inassume natin na ang point A is nag-deflect downward. And since negative ang result, so therefore, downward is wrong. So correct natin. So the deflection at A is 2,848.5 over EI, and the direction is upward. So ito na yung deflection at A, at mali yung assumption, si A ay nag-deflect pala upward. So dahil mali ang assumption for the elastic curve, then mas maigi na i-correct na natin si elastic curve. So, alam natin na pataas yung deflection at A. So, ito na ngayon yung corrected na elastic curve. So, ito si point A, point B, point C. And yun na nga, deflection A is upward. Then, to solve for theta A, we cut at A, then we choose right. So the direction is A to B, so right. So applicable is formula for theta right. Ito na yung formula for theta right. And theta is theta A, then equal to negative. Moment near is the moment at A, 0. The length is the distance from A to B, so 3. Then over 3EI, plus moment far is the moment at B, negative 36. The length is 3 over 6EI, then plus 6AB over L. So wala tayong load from A to B, so that 6AB over L is 0. Then over 6EI minus H over L. So for H, tayo ay gagawa ng horizontal line from A to B. So ito si A, then horizontal line from A to B, and then from that horizontal line we measure the vertical distance towards B. And the vertical distance, the direction of the vertical distance is downward, so negative, and the vertical distance is equal to the deflection at A. So deflection at A is 2848.5 over EI. So the theta A is equal to negative 931.5 over EI. Negative means clockwise, so theta at A is clockwise. So ito na yung results. So theta A is clockwise, theta B clockwise, theta C counter, and deflection A upward. So interpret natin yung results. So ito na yung elastic curve. Then at point A, ito si point A. So gagawa tayo ng tangent line. And the rotation is clockwise. So nag-deflect si point A upward, and then nag-rotate clockwise. So initially, yung line at A is horizontal. Then after deflecting upward, nag-rotate siya clockwise. Then at point B, draw tangent line. So initially, yung line at B is horizontal. And then after deflecting, nag-rotate siya clockwise. And then at point C, draw tangent line. So nag-rotate counterclockwise. Meron pang isa pang possible elastic curve kapag yung point A is nag-deflect up. Ito yung isa pang possibility. Ayan. So dito naman sa elastic curve na ito, kung tayo ay gagawa ng tangent line at A, so ito yung tangent line, and then the rotation is counterclockwise. So obviously, mali itong elastic curve na ito kasi ang rotation at A is counter, ang sagot natin theta A is clockwise. So ito yung correct na elastic curve when point A deflects upward. So yung highest point ay nasa point A, and then yung lowest point naman is somewhere in between B and C. So for the deflection and location of the lowest point, so hindi practical na gamitan ng Titanic method. So much better kung gamitan na lang ito ng double integration method.